Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by opening the Windows search interface so you can find the engine you need. Click the visible search box or the magnifying glass at the taskbar. Once done, type a query. If you don't see the box, right-click the taskbar and enable Show Search Box or Show Search icon, and then press the Windows key or Windows key plus S to call search directly. This gets you into the search experience quickly, so you can inspect results and where they're coming from. Now verify how Windows is handling web queries so you understand which engine is used and why. Type a web search, then open a web result and look at the browser address bar to identify the provider domain. Make sure to note whether it opened in Microsoft Edge or your default browser. Next, open Windows Settings, go to Search, and check permissions and history to see whether web results are routed through Bing or redirected. This reveals the flow and helps you decide what to change. Finally, set or redirect the engine so searches go where you want. If you prefer Google or another provider, open your browser settings and change the default search engine there. Then make that browser your default in Settings app's Default Apps web browser. Once done, test by typing a web query from the taskbar. If results still return the old engine, make sure Windows and the browser are updated, restart the PC, and if needed, reset default apps to force the change. This usually fixes lingering behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.